Today I'm going to share how I take a simple metal ring or hoop and a fabric and some items from my stash to make a beautiful Christmas wreath.
Hi everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to Momna's Life Handmade. I'm starting this new series of high-end Christmas DIYs which started on 1st December and somewhere till 18th of December. There's going to be 14 videos which are going to show how to make high-end Christmas DIYs using household items or almost trash to treasure. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel with the ringing bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of these exciting things.
So I started with this metal hoop and the fabric. I have taken fabric grocery bags. These are in pure white color and I have cut them into strips which are about 1 inch by 5 inches strips and multiple strips of these types. I took 2 grocery bags for this whole thing. Next I started by adding these strips onto the hoop. So it was so easy. I just made a simple knot on this including the hoop and just pushed it to the next one. So as I made a knot, a single knot and a tight one, and I pushed it to the next one, it stayed locked with each other and did not unravel at all. So when they become a huge bunch together like this, they look really pretty, as if a boho kind of look or a snow kind of look, which is so perfect because of the color for this winter holidays. It was very easy, though it took a little time to complete the whole hoop, but it was really easy process to do and anybody with any skill level can do it. So one can complete the whole hoop or just do about 80 to 85% of it, because in the empty space I'm going to add some greenery and florals here. Now I'm using this ribbon which is in stripes, blue-green color, which has this modern farmhouse vibes and also some gold touch. So I'm using some ornaments from my stash. One can use bells or any other things. I just took these 3 ornaments which are in this blue and green colors, and these are going to be there in the center of this wreath. So next I took a pale green yarn to tie these 3 ornaments. Now I place these ornaments randomly so that they form a triangle kind of arrangement. I am so excited to be part of this Christmas Crafting with Friends collab being hosted by Kiki from Kiki DIYs. It has this huge awesome group of DIY YouTubers, and we together as a crafting community are bringing you our way of giving you a Christmas gift from us, that is our DIYs, our creations. So please enjoy this huge playlist which is about Christmas and winter DIYs. I'll put the links in the description box of this video. Now I just use the strings attached to the ornaments to attach it to the yarn. I attached 2 ornaments on one side and single ornament on the other side. Then I adjusted the length so that it dangles little above the lower end of the frame, and then I secured the string or the yarn on the top empty edge of the hoop using some paper tape. Next I took some greens. These are actually fillers that come for bouquets, and I just took 2 bunches and placed them one on opposite ends so that they form a shape of a bow. Now one needs to adjust how wide or how small this needs to be depending on the area that is left on the top of the wreath. Now after I've arranged it like this, I took a thin wire. I find wires great way to secure anything on the wreath. Now before attaching it, I also took some florals, artificial ones, and these have some white flowers on them, and again I placed them one on either side like a bow and adjusted it over the wreath. Now taking the metal wire, I just secured everything with the hoop, twisted it at the back to secure it nice and tight here. One can still adjust them as per the requirements. Now I need to make the bow. So I took a long strip of this fabric like a ribbon and leaving a tail, then I started making loops, one on either side. So I could make 4 loops here and I was left with 2 tails, and adjusted it such that the 2 tails are of equal length. Then I held all these pieces together, bunched them in between my fingers and adjusted the loops and the tail, and again using a wire I just secured everything together and twisted it at the back. I will use this wire again to attach it over to the center of the greenery that I've attached on the wreath. Now the bow still looks incomplete. To give that finished look in the center, I took a smaller strip of this ribbon and I just doubled it to form a loop, and then I took the folded edge over the wreath and took it down below it from the back side, and taking the open ends of this loop I took it through the closed end. The video makes more sense, and then I adjusted it such that it gives a neat finish. Now the open tail ends can be tied to form a loop as one does for ornaments, and can be used for hanging, or if you don't want to use it for hanging, one can just let it fall down as additional tails for the bow. Or what I did later on was I used this open strings to form 2 extra loops on the top of the bow, as you will see later when I use it in my decor. So this is how this whole wreath looks now. If the greenery looks little shabby or scraggly, just trim it a little. Whatever excess ends are there, just break them and take them out and make it look very neat. And I think it started to look very nice. I'll show you how it looks in my decor. So I've placed my wreath because of these light colors against a dark background, and this looks great. You can put it on a wooden door or a brick wall and it will look excellent because of this modern white and dull green winter colors. This is beautiful. The fabric rag section is so wintry sweet. It's really beautiful. The colors are well coordinated, and I think this is a beautiful decor piece. I hope you liked my today's DIY. Do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video and share my channel link with your like-minded friends. And do check out all my videos in this series of 14 days of Christmas video DIY videos. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the ringing bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. I'll see you in my next DIY video, which is about making Christmas stockings. It's going to be fun. Until my next video, take care everyone. Thank you so much. Be positive, be creative, and be happy.